Hey, kia ora, and I'm just going to show you guys how to use a Casio calculator, graphical calculator to map or to graph some normal distributions, and it's easy peasy, so I'll take you through it now. So what you need to do is, in your calculator that you've got, you need to select menu, and then you need to scroll across to get stats, and then hit execute. So there, what you've got, as you can see, there's a bunch of different things along here. You want to go to distributions because we're looking at a normal distribution, so it's dist. So that's under F5, so you're just going to hit F5. Now you've got a list of different kinds of distributions. We're doing normal distributions, so that one goes down to F1, so you click F1, and we're going to this one here in the middle, this NCD there. Okay, what you need to do is sometimes you might be asked to select whether or not it's a what sort of, you might need to select variables. That'll be a section down here. Now my calculator that I've got on here doesn't have that selection, so we should be okay. Then we just need to know what we're going to type into each part, and I'll show you how that works. So I'm going to, if we look down at this little word problem down here, this is about systolic blood pressure. And that's the pressure in your blood between heartbeats. Okay, so we've got the blood pressure of all the students in a school where Alice is the nurse is approximately normally distributed. Okay, sweet, so we can use a normal distribution, that's what it says there, with a mean of 113. So the little sign for mean is this mu, it's called right there. And so we can go down to the mu section and we can just type in 113, and I hit execute, and then that takes that one. Okay, so that's mu taken care of. Cool. And then it says, and a standard deviation of 10.3. So the theta here, that's our sign for standard deviation. So we write in 10.3. Cool. Execute. Now, here's your first question. So it says, what a proportion of students chosen at random from Alice's school would be expected to have a blood pressure between 113, which just happens to also be the mean, and 120. So we don't have to worry about turning this into some z-scores or anything on a calculator because it's too easy. So what we're going to do is we're going to type in 113 here. That's our lower end. That's as low as it would go. And hit execute. And then we're going to type in 120 here into this part here. And that's as high as it would go. So that's this upper and the lower there. So you just need to read the question carefully to work out those are. But this is just nice and easy. I hit execute on that. Cool. I can scroll down to execute, and there's a calculate button there. If I come down to calculate, it tells us what those probabilities are. Here's your probability here, and the z-scores are worked out for you right there. Now, in some graphical calculators, it will also graph it for you. Just under that button, it will give you the probability, and it will make a lovely little bell curve for you depending on your device. So your probability and what you would answer is 0.25, and then you could round it to whatever decimal places you thought were appropriate. So 25%, or if you decided 25.2%, is fine as well. Okay, and that's how you use a calculator. I hope that was helpful, and we'll catch you next time.